None of this has ever been attempted before. Whereas if they're coming towards you as you wing
Well, let's do it that way. Let's do it with, I'm formatting on top.
Yeah.
We've already got the earlier piece. So
Now they could just give you a cue and say 3, 2, 1.
It's nice coming over a counter with these things. I can go slower, you know.
It's reversible.
This is Alpha's one.
Exactly.
It's almost good if Alfie the places.
Alfie, you just give me.
You know,
Now watch this. Watch this. You come up.
Yeah.
Now I look at Henry. Henry
Yeah.
looks at me. He goes back and he gets his gun.
Right.
I don't, you know, and all that time, and I'm like, what's happening? What's happening? And then he points the gun at me. That'll be one pass.
Yep.
We'll get all that in one pass.
Okay.
Should take his cue off Henry. As soon as you see Henry getting ready in the door, go. Because Tom's going to bail.
Yeah.
So the first one we're going to do is we're going to go low over the water. You'll be behind us.
I'm behind like this.
Okay.
Chasing.
You tell us to go. Here are the falls.
Yep.
Okay. You call it. We'll go over the falls. Boom. I go over the falls to the right, and you chase me down.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, back this way. Back this way. You owe me a beer.
If you notice this,
I did. I check it I check it all the time.
clean.
I know it because that's a beer. you can tell I'm a mercenary, aren't you? When you're by yourself, you're down the center line, and even when you burn the fuel off, you stay down in the center the entire time.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Okay,
Well,
guys.
comms check, TC.
Yep.
Let's go play.
Be safe, sir, yeah?
Always.
Boss, I'll see you in the sky.
Thank you. See you there.
Have fun.
Always. I think that's good, guys. Thank you. What I want to do is I want to get the seat belts.
Okay.
I've got a camera, some balls.
throughout the entire sequence. They all have to maintain visual contact. And then there's Tom, he's the pilot, he's acting, and he's the camera operator.
We're rolling and ready when you are, Tom. Copy that.
Most pilots wouldn't attempt this.
The corkscrew turn is very challenging for a pilot.
I'm going to brake to the left.
It takes a lot of skill and a lot of practice.
We're good, we're rolling.
You make a mistake, somebody's going to die from it.
I'm going to go.
And each spiral looks like he's going to crash.
God. Pitch. Whoa, that's what I want. How was that, McHugh? Very upsetting here. Well, I guess that's a sprint. Absolutely.
I changed the angle of the pitch of the motor, so fine, great. And yes.
That motor was totally stable.
Great, okay.
Great job. Yes, sir.
We have control of the cameras again.
How is this move here? You got a 70. Can we go down?
Exactly.
It's just going to move like that.
Down, yeah. So we'll pick you up as you come up. We'll be tilting up with you as you come up to the skids.
But that's a 27 mil, that's not a 70 mil.
27, yeah.
I want to be close enough so that you see the helicopter and the road.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, so you know what I mean? Low enough that you see both in a long lens, and then you see it's me. Yeah.
We've got a bit of rotor wash.
So tip down a little bit. Don't tip up too much. Keep his feet in there.
His feet are in the
In the IMAX.
I know they're in the IMAX. Okay, I see what you're going for.
So listen. Good.
Look, Tom, look at this, dude. That's you, and that's where I was just like, why now? Let me see more of the helicopter.
Yeah, I agree.
Because I could see you very clearly, and we can always punch in. They could just be back like a little bit.
Yep, I agree.
Like a proper.
This is good on the 14. Right?
Yeah.
I mean the 24.
Like I'm looking
good.
up and over.
That's good. If you're looking in that direction when you fall.
Believe me, I will. I'll be like this, and then boom, when I fall, I'll be like, I'll reach in and grab him.
Great. Then we'll be fine. That camera will get it.
And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the thing. I'm going to make sure that this is not blocking my face with this camera. I already kind of checked it a little bit. I'm going to have it back, and then I'm going to take my leg out, and I'm going to kick up like that. When my foot touches the skid, I'll drop back like this, and I'll be like, try to look at the camera as I'm going down.
I promise you will know it's you.
Yeah.
And then if we don't sail too far away, we'll lose signal.
Really exactly.
The other thing is, if we don't, it's good if there's a danger of losing. The further we go, with more danger of losing signal.
Time, it's the turns. So if we do it on the straight,
But we shouldn't have to go so far away.
Yeah.
When you're standing out here on the skid, because there's no
Yeah.
rope, and you're you look like you're just gonna pitch right off.
Yeah.
And when you did the turnaround, I thought you were gonna eat it.
Yeah.
It was great. It's actually scarier than the fall.
Good luck, Henry.
No, dude,
Stay back.
that's crazy.
Make up costume here. You can go back to base. Boss, that was awesome. Bravo. Yeah, I don't know how you do it.
Awesome, guys.